all you people, or the few people that watch YouTube videos that I used to do. But now I've gone downhill with that. Yes. I know it takes a while to get followers for YouTube and just keep doing it, but I kept just showing my hands, my fingers, and I'm better at doing those kind of videos for Instagram than YouTube because I realized I'm doing the kind of videos that I do not watch on YouTube. I do a little bit here and there, but mostly I like to see people's faces and do nails. So that's what I stopped because I knew if I'm not doing what I like, even though I like doing my nails, why? Okay, let's put them where I actually do watch it because I do watch a whole bunch of Instagram nail tutorials with just doing the nails because that's different. But YouTube, no, YouTube I go there for like to laugh and be like, oh, I'm learning something in a way, something I love, and laugh with Christine and Simply Nailogical. Well, Simply Nailogical is Christine, or the other girl I watched as a professional, and all that stuff. So yeah, I thought I'd just say something, and yes, I'm wearing this really dark nails. You haven't seen yet because I haven't posted them on my Instagram. I don't really post everything like right when I do it, but who does? But yeah, and I gotta tell you this, I've had this on for almost 2 weeks. I think I did these nails like last week, like literally last week, not this week, that just happened the week before. So I've had this on for 2 weeks, and look at it, just look. The only thing that's that might be like a little is that it's grown out. So, if you know me from my Instagram, MaxHannahXX nails, then you might know that I don't know if I've said, but lots of times my nail design I do doesn't last that long. But I've gotten so much better, and I use products that are really good. So yes, in this I'm going to talk a little bit about some products I use because I thought I should, because I'm noticing they work really well, especially French. Because for the longest time, this part down here, the part that's the clear polish, wouldn't last too long. So I thought I'd say a little bit of like what I use because it seems to really, really work. So I do have this polish that I like to use. Well, if you probably seen little videos with it, stuff like that. Or pictures on Pinterest or something, because I sometimes see it as a common one to say you need to have, which is this one. It has a very weird long ass name, but this is really good. That's what I have on this, and I haven't put a new coat on this for a really good while. Like sometimes I'm like for nail polishes that don't last too long for me, I might put another coat so it doesn't start cracking. It might have cracked a tiny bit, like I think it has on this finger, but when you wear dark colors you barely notice, and it's barely doing that too. And I'm not using any gel. None of this is gel. I'm using things here that are like gel, but you don't need a light. You do not have one, and I use it every once in a while. And the Revlon brand, this like one where this comes from, works really well with the light. It makes it dry a little faster. I would say it works really well with the light. Like I have a LED light, so it works really well with that. A little pink light that's like heart-shaped. But I don't use it too much because I don't like using it that much. So, this is my go-to polish. Especially for French. Because anything else I use, this is a good one too. Revlon is a really good one. This is my other go-to nail polish. Or every once in a while when I want my cheap one, I do the Essenza clear polish for cheap clear polish. When I don't care if the polish doesn't last too long, but still works really well. So yeah, that's my go-to nail polishes, clear nail polishes, just so you know. And this one seems to work somewhat well for gems. Well, more for like the rubbery ones, the rubbery stuff, the rubber ones on it. I still need to get like one of those things that I've seen Nail Care Education use for putting on gems, so I can actually do gems well and they don't start falling off, because I can do my mani so well like this, and then even put the gems on, but because like they're on pretty well, but then the bottom part, like the color part of it, like we'll just leave a little like, oh, it's silver, and then like the silverish underneath will be there, and it's just like, oh, my gem fell off. You can know that. So if the gems don't usually last too long, I'm not terrible at putting on. It's just when I use doesn't work too well for it. So it wouldn't be good for going to a manicure place. Go-to clear polishes. And yes, the other thing that I love if I haven't told you, because I did a video on all of my sparkle like top coat sparkle things that I have, which is like this one is the few one I have that's hollow, which I want more hollow because of Christine. And then I have this one, which I just got at a dollar store, and it's very simple, very, very small sparkle with purpley. And I like it just to give this, if I want slight sparkle, slight, and I don't want it to really drastically change any of the colors or anything, I use this, and this shows the best on bright colors, my experience. Dark colors, well, black, it does actually, but besides that, yeah. So that's just all, that's just all I'm saying is, that's me, Sparkle Fiend, and my favorite go-to clear polishes. And if there's anything else you want me to tell about me, I'll be glad to tell you anything, pretty much, because I love doing nails and I love to show people out there what I like to do. And of course, because of Christine again, I use this Simply this, you know, this nice oil that she uses as well, and I use it for my nails. I especially use it right after I clean my hands and take off all the polish, because I really want to moisturize my hands after I've put all that nail polish remover on them, but I want to wash it off first before I do anything. That's what I do. So that's what I've done. That's what I do. That's my go-to routine is this. And then occasionally I put on some lotion too. EOS. And you already know all that stuff. If you look at my YouTube videos earlier, a few that I've done, I talk about my little routine and stuff of what I do. And the cuticle pushing back. So that's me. And I thought I should do something because I haven't posted for a long time. And I'm thinking I might do it again if I can actually figure out how to show my face more, because that's why I like watching YouTube videos. Not just nail videos, even people that are hilarious. Like Mr. Brett, oh, he's hilarious. I just found out about him like a few weeks ago. He's amazing. He makes me laugh. And then there's Joey Cosafo, which is another one that makes me laugh too. So those are the few of those kind of YouTubers I watch. But besides that, if you're watching, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Sparkle, sparkle.